Greetings, everyone. My name is the Catcher, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Kirby's Dream Land 2. In the last episode, we started making progress here in Dark Mountain, and today we're going to make even more. So if you guys are excited, make sure to click like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. And ladies and gentlemen, if you like what I do and you want to see somebody else do it, please consider subscribing to my boy at Commodore128. That is youtube.com/@Commodore128. And my boy J Dondo. That is youtube.com/@JDondo. Dang it. It's sad that we're almost done. Feels like yesterday I did this game and then had to redo it. You know? I don't even think I made it this far into my original playthrough. I think it's actually really good to know that this is here. Dang it. Did they give me an option? Oh, Rick Rampage time. Nice! Dude, we're killing it. Awesome! Nice! Bet, baby! We're almost done! Well, that's unfortunate. That's even more unfortunate. Wow. Ow. Well, these are little twists and trials we have to go through. It's kind of fun. It's not fun when I'm constantly dying, but... And I'm gonna die. 'Cause I'm dumb. And now I'm gonna die again, because I'm dumb. Doggone it. It's okay. It's all good, it's all good. Of course, why don't I just defeat it with my body? What a perfect plan. Okay, cool. Go, 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 go! Oh, dang it! Man! Fine. Do it again. Okay. Doggone it! So frustrating, man. Okay, cool. Now I don't have to deal with that. Perfect. Is it the bottom? Yeah, it's the bottom. Bottom again. No, it isn't. It's the middle. Freaking crap. I suck at this, bro. I'm actually the worst. I'm the worst, man. We only get like one more try. Oh my gosh. Ah. Well, we'll give it one more try for game catchers. Then we got it next time. Unfortunately. I think we're actually going to do we'll either get to or get close to the finale of this game. Which is crazy, dude. Okay, this time it is the middle. Oh, I guess I could have done the top too. Oh, jeez. Dang it. All right, next time on Game Catchers.